You like raisin? Wow, so many.
One. Oh, I forgot.
What do you forget?
Oh, mommy's mixing.
Yeah, mommy is mixing.
And that's taking a picture. And these are friends.
And how about you? What are you doing?
I'm eating my day.
The floor is
You're eating. What are you eating?
My day. Wow.
Wow, are you excited for this one? That is embutido. Wow.
Ito sa floor. Kunti lang ano.
Embutida. Yes, embutida. Yes, embutida.
You like embutida? Yay!
Let's
Looks so
put-
yummy. Wow, this is mommy's embutido version. Wow. Nagkikrave sila dalawa sa embutido. This is embutido. Or like Filipino version of ham. No?
I want some more raisins.
You want more raisin? I give you more raisin. Wait.
Wow.
Floor. Can I have
What is that? Wow. Ang kalat na lamesa namin.
Ayan pag nagluluto. Prepare.
Ay,
No. Tama na.
Put more pastas na. Put more raisin. Come on. Help mommy.
Meron yan.
Mm.
Thank you, baby. Stop na, anak. Stop na.
Put more. Baby, put more.
Pork pa, baby.
Thank you.
One more.
Put more na. Oh, put more.
one more.
Kapag half kilo lang yan.
And then two.
Oh, tama na, baby. Ang dami naman.
Three.
Then,
Wow!
then mix.
I made it!
You made it.
dahil pa.
I need some fat. Mom, make my delicious thing.
Yeah, mommy's make a delicious thing. That is embutido.
This is embutido, baby.
You like embutido? Aika? Do you like embutido?
I need to mix.
Okay. Yay! I made it!
Wow. You're so excited na, huh? Is that yummy?
I think I need more salt pa. Salt, anak, salt.
Mix, mix, mix.
Yay! Thank you! And some salt.
Okay.
Cheese.
Cheers, guys. We're just eating yogurt.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, what happened?
What happened to
What happened to you?
What happened to your Ike's pants?
What happened to you, Aiko?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Hintay lang kami dito kasi si Mami na ay nagluluto na. What Mommy's cooking?
Again.
What Mommy's cooking?
Again.
Embutido. You like embutido? Oh, try my yogurt. Yogurt ice cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ready na ba yan? Wow, embutido.
Baby, hot us. The mommy, the beefs and mommy beefs. Just assume.
Kamayin mo na.
Huwag na ano.
Up, Come on. Let's go. And then fish my time. Run, fishing my time. Wait. I like my fishing rod. I like my fishing rod. I like my fishing rod. It's so cute.
Wow. Malapit na magmukhang embutido. May boiled egg pa.
Nagabalik natin. Oh no. Pagkali na itong ibenta. Pakuluan na. Pag-steam natin ng 40 minutes. Parang kapastuhan ko. Diba? See? Kailangan mahigpit para mag-combine. Ang ingat dito. Okay. Ako palagi lang.
Okay lang. Embutido. Homemade embutido.
And then, mas malaki itong isa. First time yung mami gumawa ng embutido. Sana masarap.
Yan. Yan. Let's try.
Parang naman lang kasi hindi siya. Hindi ko